Introducing the Eureka Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner NES520BL, a versatile option designed to tackle your household cleaning needs, from carpets to hard floors. The sleek blue design brings a modern touch to your cleaning routine, but it's not just about looks. This vacuum claims to deliver powerful suction, combining the benefits of a lightweight, bagless, and portable design with impressive performance across various surfaces. But does it live up to its promises? Let's see what this vacuum offers and how it handles the challenges of everyday cleaning. At its core, the Eureka NES520BL is a corded stick vacuum, which means no need to worry about battery life during your cleaning sessions. With a powerful motor and an efficient foam filter, it promises to handle dirt, debris, and pet hair without any hassle. The 2-in-1 design also lets you convert it into a handheld vacuum for those hard-to-reach places, such as upholstery, stairs, and your car's interior. The main feature here is the strong suction power, which is crucial for cleaning both carpets and hard floors effectively. When it comes to pet hair, this vacuum doesn't shy away, claiming to tackle this common problem with ease. Its lightweight build makes it convenient for those who might struggle with heavier vacuums. But does it sacrifice any performance for the sake of portability? Let's break down how this vacuum performs in real-world scenarios. First, the suction power is no joke. The NES520BL does a solid job picking up everything from fine dust on hard floors to embedded dirt in carpets. The transition between floor types is smooth, and while it's not the most powerful vacuum on the market, it's more than capable of keeping your floors clean. The pet hair? It's mostly a win here too. It easily picks up hair from both carpets and hard floors without leaving behind much. However, on thicker rugs, you might notice it struggles a little with deeper embedded dirt, which could be a limitation for households with plush carpets. That said, if you're dealing primarily with hardwood or tile, the performance is impressive for the price. Handling the Eureka vacuum is a breeze. Weighing in at just a little over 4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver. Whether you're navigating around furniture or sweeping up corners, the lightweight design makes it less tiring to use, especially during longer cleaning sessions. But, like all lightweight vacuums, there's a balance to be struck, and this one's built with portability in mind. That means the dustbin is smaller, and you'll need to empty it more frequently, especially if you have a lot of floor space to cover. The 18-foot power cord gives you a decent range, but it's still something to keep in mind if you have a large home. You might find yourself needing to plug and unplug as you move around, but it's a fair trade-off for the absence of battery life concerns. The noise level is another factor to consider. It's not silent by any means, but the Eureka NES520BL isn't as loud as some bulkier, higher-powered vacuums. Expect a mid-range hum that's typical of most stick vacuums. It's definitely tolerable for most users, but if you're highly sensitive to noise, it might be worth considering whether it's too loud for your liking. Attachments play a big role in versatility, and this vacuum does not disappoint. The 2-in-1 design lets you convert it to a handheld, which comes in handy for cleaning upholstery or even your car. The motorized brush roll can be a lifesaver when it comes to picking up pet hair from furniture or stairs, making it more versatile than many standard stick vacuums. However, it's worth noting that this vacuum isn't built for deep cleaning heavy carpets or large, thick rugs. For those with expansive carpeted areas, you may find it lacking in long-term suction power on deeper fibers. Now let's talk value. Considering the Eureka NES520BL's price point, it performs well, especially for homes with mainly hard floors or lighter carpet usage. The combination of being bagless, easy to maintain, and offering solid suction for pet hair makes it an appealing choice for many. But there are some compromises to keep in mind. It's lightweight and convenient, but it's not as robust as heavier, more expensive models that can handle deep cleaning and long-term use more efficiently. If you're after a vacuum that can tackle all kinds of surfaces with ease, there are other options on the market that might offer better performance at a slightly higher price point. In comparison to other vacuums in the same category, the Eureka NES520BL holds up well, but there are some competitors worth considering. For example, Black & Decker's similar stick vacuums are in the same price range, but they offer slightly better performance on carpets and larger surface areas. The suction power and overall design of the Eureka do stand out in terms of ease of use, but if you're looking for something with more power and capacity, other models might be a better fit. The build quality of the Eureka NES520BL is generally solid for its price. The plastic components are durable, but don't expect them to feel premium. The dustbin and attachments are easy to maintain, and the foam filter can be cleaned and reused, which helps with ongoing upkeep. However, the smaller dustbin means more frequent emptying, especially if you have a larger home or a lot of messes to clean. In terms of longevity, it's too soon to make any sweeping judgments, but based on Eureka's reputation for reliable, budget-friendly vacuums, this model should hold up for the average household. As with any vacuum, proper care and maintenance are key to ensuring long-term use, so keeping an eye on the filter and brush roll is a good practice. If you've had any experience with Eureka's customer support, you'll know that they are responsive and generally easy to work with. While I didn't encounter any issues directly with this model, Eureka has built a reputation for offering solid customer service and a reasonable warranty, which could offer peace of mind for potential buyers. In summary, the Eureka NES520BL is a great choice for those who need a lightweight, portable vacuum with decent suction power for hard floors and light carpet cleaning. It's not the powerhouse for thick carpets or large homes, but for those with smaller spaces, tile, hardwood, or pet hair to tackle, it's a practical, budget-friendly option. If you don't mind frequent emptying of the dustbin, and you're not looking for a vacuum to last through years of heavy-duty use, this could be a solid addition to your cleaning arsenal. Thanks for watching this review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Got any questions? Or already have this vacuum at home? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Until next time, happy cleaning.